Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how to record the screen on any iPhone with sound. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and write comments after watching the video. So friends, let's get down to our topic. And first of all, you will need to check in your settings whether you have added screen recording option in your control center. To do that, please go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit, select this option. Then when you open it up, see if you have this screen recording option added to your control center. If not, then you'll need to scroll down. Find this screen recording option in the bottom list with the green pluses. Click on the green plus to add it. After that, you can swipe from the right side from top to bottom of your iPhone screen. And you will see now that you have added screen recording feature. Next, friends, to start screen recording, again, swipe down from the top of your iPhone screen. Then tap on the screen recording option in the control center. And then it's important that you don't just tap, but tap and hold so that you get a little window like this. And by default, always during screen recording the microphone and sound is disabled. And in order to activate the sound so that your screen recording has sound, you have to click on the microphone at the bottom. Like this, and now your screen recording will have sound. And to activate it, just click. As you can see, the microphone is enabled. Screen recording has already started. Now you can do the manipulations you need on your iPhone. After that, to disable this screen recording, you will also need to swipe down from the top of the iPhone screen. And just one tap to disable such recording. This is such a very simple method you will be able to record your iPhone screen with sound. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and write comments, friends. Take care.